Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Students of the University of Uyo in Akwa Ibom State have given the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, thumbs up for lighting up their campus with solar-powered street lights. They recently told Inside the Niger Delta that the light project has helped curb insecurity in the university community as well as encouraged nighttime studies.
As part of its Light Up the Niger Delta scheme, which is aimed at installing clean and renewable energy technologies in the Niger Delta region, the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, in 2018 illuminated streets of the University of Uyo main campus with solar energy powered lights. Since installation, the light project has served as the only regular and reliable source of light to the university community at night. Students recounted that there has been a palpable shift in their nighttime study routine thanks to the NDDC light project installed on major streets on campus down to the lecture halls and hostels. They explained that the NDDC's solar energy powered street lights have become their reading lamps.
Sometimes you might not want to read inside, you might just want to sit outside and read. The street lights help you, and the way the hostel was built, there are platforms just directly beside the street lights where you could just sit and read.
The impact of the NDDC Light Up the Niger Delta scheme goes beyond illuminating the streets. It also addresses insecurity and truancy among students.
When we attend tutorials and we are done, maybe in the night by 7, 8, and we are going back home, and none of us are with phone or anything, so the lights do help us. Commuting within the main campus of the University of Uyo after dark has been a major challenge prior to the electrification project. However, campus shuttle drivers who attested to the benefits of the NDDC light project say students can now safely and freely commute around the campus.
The importance can never be overemphasized because it's brighten the whole area.
We can see very clearly. Right till 10 o'clock.
5 years after installation, some of the solar panels are beginning to fail due to poor maintenance culture. Owing to the huge benefits of the lighting project, transporters plying the university community called for a proper maintenance routine for the light project to keep them illuminated. They are concerned that should the lights completely fail, they may be forced to turn down their business hours to daytime only.
It has been helping us in our visibility, but now it is not like that again. I want to appeal whether to the authority, whether the NDDC again will come and replace the light for us. Because if you are waiting for the University of Uyo, it's going to take time. Like several other NDDC projects, maintenance by beneficiaries are usually a major challenge. Hence, the NDDC management has constantly harped on the need for beneficiaries to take ownership and responsibility for projects in their domains.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,